Hi everyone, here's a wireless setup introduction video of T3 system. As you can see, the pink one is the amplifier. It should connect it to the amplifier cable on your car. And the two yellow wires are the video wires. One is video in and another is video out. These two wires are audio out. The white one is audio out left, and the red one is audio out right. The black wire is the mic. It could connect it to your external microphone. These two wires are aux in. The right one is aux in right, and the white one is aux in left.